My dear brothers and sisters, the readings we have heard this morning speak about faith and particular trust. It's asking us in what and whom is our faith based? Is it based on externals that we practice day in and day out? Or is our faith or trust based in a loving and caring God? In the first reading of today, we heard about the king who depended solely on others for his faith. And when others took him astray from Yahweh and the laws given by Yahweh and guidelines, he succumbs in a way to his own beliefs. Ultimately, the enemies, though less in number, come and attack them because they prided in their own strength, but not in Yahweh. This time and again, it's good to ask ourselves, is my faith rooted totally in God or in my externals which I perform day in and day out? But when troubles, difficulties come our way, does our ship of life waver on the ocean? Or are we strong enough to say, God is with me, I trust Him totally? The gospel passage just invites us more and more. Look around us, look around nature. They neither spin, nor toil, nor labor for their daily sustenance, but God takes care of them. And what about you, human beings? Will not God take more care of you? So why worry about tomorrow? Live for the day. And live for the day trusting in God, trusting in the resources, material given to us by Him. That is the prayer, that is scriptures on which we read and reflect. And thus we strengthen our faith and trust in Him. So we ask God today in the Mass to strengthen our faith, to give us the courage that we spend time in prayer, to make time for prayer, to read daily the Holy Scriptures and reflect on the text we read, and thus continually go on trusting and deepening our faith in God.